Hello everyone, welcome to Coin Engineer. Today I will show you how you can set up your Tonkeeper wallet. But before we move on, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and turn the notifications on. Now let's just jump straight into our video. So Toncoin actually belongs to Telegram, and as you know, nearly every project uses Telegram to announce news or an update or whatnot, and also unite their community. If you are in crypto business, you have to use Telegram. And the reason I'm going to show you how you can set up your Tonkeeper wallet is because in the next video, I will show you how you can sell your Telegram username. So stay tuned. Alright, so we downloaded the app, which you can download from Google Play and also from the App Store. You will find all the links in the description box below. Now let's get started. So as you can see, it says let's set up your wallet. Now let's click on create new wallet. It says generating wallet. And as you can see, it says your wallet has just been created. Now in this step, it says grab a pen and piece of paper. It's basically asks us to write down the recovery phrase because it's the only way to have access and recover your wallet in case of losing your device. I warn you about this in nearly every wallet setup video. If you save your recovery phrases on a digital device. So now let's click on continue. I'm gonna blur the half of it, but you can see there are 24 words for your wallet. Now you're gonna have to type all of these down on a paper in order to not to lose your wallet. So let me just write all of these words down and then we will continue. Alright, so I wrote down the words. Now let's click on continue. And as you can see, it asks me to fill in the second, the 14th, and the 17th word. Now I will fill in these words and we will continue. So I filled in the words. Now let's click on continue. And in this step, it asks us to create a new passcode, and be careful about this passcode because it will ask you to input this passcode before every transaction you will make. It asks me to re-enter the passcode. Now let's enter it again. Let's choose later for now. And as you can see, it says congratulations, you've set up your wallet. Now here you can see your wallet. If you just click on top left corner of your wallet, it will copy your wallet address and you can use this wallet address for your transactions. As I said, we will use this wallet in our next video to buy and sell Telegram usernames. So definitely stay tuned. And that pretty much concludes our video, guys. I hope it was useful. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and turn the notifications on to not to miss out any of these amazing opportunities and important news. And with that said, I'll see you guys in our next videos.